high-speed sleeve labeling machine running at our customer's factory. This video shows our high-speed automatic sleeve labeling machine operating smoothly at a customer's production site. The machine automatically feeds, cuts, and applies sleeve labels onto bottles at high speed, working continuously with the customer's production line. It provides stable sleeve placement and consistent packaging results while helping improve production efficiency and reduce manual work. Feyvan sleeve labeling machines can be customized according to bottle shape, sleeve material, labeling position, required capacity, and product line layout. They are suitable for bottle body sleeves, bottleneck sleeves, and tamper-evident cap seals in the beverage, food, daily chemical, agrochemical, edible oil, and liquor industries. Looking for a high-speed sleeve labeling solution? Send us your bottle dimensions, sleeve samples, required speed, and product line information for a customized proposal.